For this recipe, you do not need much. You just need your chopped onions, chopped green and red bell peppers, some spices, your sugar, your butter, a little bit of salt, your baking powder, and that is all. Now, have you had to taste spicy rock buns before? Nigerian rock buns is one of the most delicious Nigerian snacks, and adding a little bit of spice and vegetables to it just takes it to another level. So don't worry, the list of all these ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box, so do not worry. After mixing all of them together, I'm going to go on now to add in my butter. You do not need much butter. You just need a tablespoon of butter, because you know you're going to fry this recipe and you do not want your rock buns dripping with oil. Now, there's a secret ingredient that I usually add to my rock buns that takes it to another level. Even if you're not going to add in your spices, even if you're not going to add in your vegetables, just adding that number one ingredient is something that makes your rock buns exceptional, and that is your egg. Adding 1 egg to 2.5 cups of flour or 2 cups of flour takes your rock buns or Nigerian buns to another level. It makes it look more attractive, more appealing, and your buns will not absorb so much water. Now I'm going to just add in water to my recipe and get my batter to be this thick. Make sure your batter is really thick enough so that you can easily cut it into your vegetable oil. The good thing I like about Nigerian rock buns is that it does not take time. Once you are done mixing, you are ready to fry. So I'm going to heat up my oil, not really hot, fairly hot. Then I'm going to go on now to cut my buns into the oil. Now there is this trick you need to get your rock buns the way it should look. You know, that crack like look. You need this trick. Now you just have to cut your buns like this, roll it into your finger, make sure your fingers are wet. You drop it into the oil. When you are dropping it into the oil, make sure you put your heat on low heat. Yes, on low heat. Now this is very important because it will help the crack to form around your buns. Once you've gotten the crack you desire, you can go on now to increase the temperature of your oil or increase the heat of your oil to medium heat. Now the crack I want is formed, so now you can see my buns bubbling the way it should, because now I'm frying on medium heat, no longer on low heat. So I'm going to fry, stirring continuously until I have this golden brown look. Then I'm going to take my buns, rock buns, spicy, delicious buns out of the oil. I'm going to keep it in a salvet to sieve to strain excess oil. Man, these buns came out tasty. In fact, you ask yourself, am I eating buns or am I having a new Nigerian snacks that I've not had before? So now we are done frying. Let's take a look at this yummy buns recipe. Wow, here you go. Now it looks like akara, it looks like buns. In fact, this is a unique buns recipe you should try right away. Now run to the kitchen and make this recipe for yourself and your family to enjoy this weekend. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share this recipe. Somebody may just need something different for his or her family to enjoy this weekend or even any time of the day. Bye bye. Good to have you here. See you next time.